stars never fly for me. My house on Mars kinda hard to see. But you know I'll see you again. You know I'll see you again. Shooting stars never fly for me.
That is disgusting. Give it to me now.
Like him too. He my man, he my boo, he my type, he's so cute. I want.
Ooh, a piece of candy. 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 Oh.
Stupid fucking dinosaur! Excuse me? Excuse me?
Let me add a little bit of spice.
Yeah. I got stung by wasps, but the joke's on you because I got sunglasses, so I ain't giving no bitches 400 fucking bells to get medicine.
Could be the biggest fish in my life. Here he goes. Oh, he's massive. Oh my gosh, he's giant.
No, God! Fuck! No, God, please, no! No!
Yo.
I just got up and walked to the door and I saw it.
Alright, one of these has to be new.
Here we go. Not gonna mess this up. Here we go. Ready? Hi.
After you take away the bread, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and mayonnaise, what have you got? A fax machine.
Next caller! Next caller! Next caller!
I was just terraforming and I saw Tangy right here walking down this weird little alleyway. So I don't know, was just looking at her, right? I went down here and then I saw Blue Bear and look at the face, the eyes, the tea. And then this bitch pulls out her phone. Ah!
Okay, so the recipe for document stack requires 1 scattered papers, but if you go to scattered papers, it requires 1 document stack. So, how do you make him?
No, 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 no.
He said Kylie was good. I said Miley was good. I said, could you pay my bills like O'Reilly was good? I just sit back and observe.
Give your room the glow up it deserves with Glow Up LEDs. Plus, since you watch this amazing channel, there's a discount code in the description below. Join the Glow Getter fam today at glowupleds.com.
You know what? I'm gonna go challenge the farming.
Let's do this.
Help me!
You picked the wrong house, fool!
Hey, you. You're finally awake.
Get the fuck out of my room and play Minecraft!
Wait, I can't see it! I can't see it!
You think I'm a coward like you?
Y'all motherfuckers dead!
I've got you in my sights.
Oh! My first spider!
Stop, let me go.
I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you, Spidey. Slowly. Poaching slowly. Wait, what?
Why is it always happening to me? Why is it always me?
Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna pop. Oh, nice! Good job!
All of the things I do.
I like it, but not a lot. I don't like it.
It's Jesus! Say hello, Jesus!
Man, who'd want to play Animal Crossing when you have Bee Simulator?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you.
All of the things I do. It's Jesus! Say hello, Jesus!
ass, so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet.
It's entirely possible that